We have a year 2003 hem saw, model V100LM-3. Has a tilt head, hydraulic tilt head, hydraulic feed, in-feed, manual control panel here in the front. Hydraulic vise, which is not on the table right now. Relatively new, was purchased late before we purchased this machine for stock. We have two of the support arms here that are used for supporting the rollers, which can, I believe, be affixed to either side, depending upon the user's choice. .220 voltage, though it can run 440. Serial number is 847403. We have some miscellaneous holding blocks and bolts used for holding material. We have the hem saw books here. Currently wired 220. Requires, looks like 80 psi of air, 220 440 electrics. Five horsepower. Coolant pump. Hose. Runs into this flood coolant right here by the blade. And we will run it. This will tilt the head left and right. I believe it goes 45 degrees either direction. Take it back to center, and then we'll bring the head up and down. Head up, down. Bringing it in. And back. Here we have the operator control panel. There's your tilt angle, fast, slow, left, right. The laser light feature. And I'm going to hold my hand here. You can see laser light on there, red light. That's the cut watcher feature right there, which is described in a portion of the books. Power start, motor on and off. Saw vise control, which we do have to, we just found out we have a slight leak in the line, which we'll replace beforehand. Arm forward and retract. The guide up and down. Feed rate control, and then we have these last two gauges here, which were very clouded, and look at, they had been recently resealed with some type of glue or adhesive. We're going to clean them up by taking the panel cover off here and get into it beforehand as well. So we'll do a little bit of tweaking here to make it right, and then we'll run the blade here. Got the speed control. You have your hand speed control right there. That's really about all there is to it, folks. Blade brush is within the column. Turned it off there and then put it back on. I'm going to do that one. There's off and then back on again. That is the HE&M V100LM-3.